Fall is just around the corner, and what a better way to get into the spirit than with a handmade crochet pumpkin. Whether you are decorating for Thanksgiving or simply adding some cozy autumn vibes to your space, these adorable pumpkins are the perfect addition.
Uri Designs, unique expressions.
And hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to create these cute pumpkins. It is a very easy crochet project for beginners. These are the materials we're gonna be using. You can use the yarn of your choice. I got this at Amazon and it's size 3. Gonna be using scissors and the crochet hook recommended for the yarn. Gonna be using polyfill for the inside of the pumpkin and yarn needle. For the stem, you can use cinnamon sticks or cork like this. So let's get started. Using the inside end of the yarn, I'm going to start with a slip knot, just like this. And for foundation row, I'm going to make 15 chains for the small size pumpkin and 21 chains for the big one. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you the small one that takes a little less time. For row number 1, we're going to make half double crochet in the second chain right here. We're gonna make a total of 14 half double crochet for the small one and 20 for the big one. We're gonna continue making half double crochet until the end right here. And this is how it's starting to look. We're gonna make the last one for our first row. Then we're gonna make 2 chains up and then turn it around to start row number 2. And we're gonna continue making half double crochet, but this is a little bit different now. Let me show you. We're going to just grab the front loop right here and make the half double crochet and continue grabbing just the front loop. By grabbing just the front loop, you're creating this beautiful texture. So let's continue making half double crochet until the end of this row. Very important to grab the last stitch. And grabbing just the front loop as well. Okay, making the half double crochet and 2 chains up and continue making rows until you reach the desired width of your pumpkin. I made a total of 14 rows for the small one and 20 for the big one. I'm going to attach these 2 ends together. I'm going to start with a slip stitch and then I'm going to make single crochet until I reach the end. Making sure I'm grabbing the same amount of stitches on both sides. I'm going to cut the yarn and fasten up. Now I end up with a cylinder. Using a yarn needle, we're going to close one of the ends on the bottom. And then I'm going to take it through the other side and start filling it with the polyfill. And I'm going to start doing the same thing on the top. Now it's time to add the stem on the top. I'm going to use cork. I'm going to cut it in half and then glue it using hot glue. For the stems, keep in mind that you can use cinnamon sticks or wood sticks, whatever works for you. I really hope I'm encouraging you to do this beautiful and easy project. It doesn't take that long. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. You can use it as decorations for your table for Thanksgiving. If you would like written instructions, please check my website. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.